This is literally how I look. Hey guys, it's Bridget. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you my basic everyday look slash Morticia Addams inspired tutorial. The look that I am taking inspiration from is Carolyn Jones's Morticia from the 1960s TV show. Now, I don't want to sound like a meme here, but I've watched enough Daenerys braid tutorials to know that the first comment is always literally like, step one, look like Emilia Clarke. So I know I wake up in the morning and roll out of bed, and I'm a good 90% of the way there for this look. But for the rest of you, throw on some black clothes, get a black wig, and you're ready for a costume party or next year Halloween, whatever you're going for. So be sure to give this video a great big like, and without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. So today for our base, we're going to be using the NYX Lid Lingerie in the shade Mon Amor. Now, if I had a Gomez, this would be the part where he would come running in. But I'll just go ahead and apply this base. Go ahead and apply this and blend it up towards the crease. And you'll want to catch that before it dries, because this actually does dry a little fast. And then I'm just going to dot a tiny bit on my lower lash line. Next, I'll be taking a flat shader brush and dipping into the Revolution Pro Up in Smoke eyeshadow refill pack. Now, I will be grabbing some of this dark shade and mixing it with some of the lighter gray shade. I'm just applying that all over the lid. Taking the lighter gray and just using that to blend the crease out just a tiny bit more. And then dipping into the dark gray once again to darken up the crease. I just want to darken this up a little bit. I mean, we don't want to go heavy for daytime, but I mean, it is Morticia, so we gotta go a little dark. And then just taking that darker shade into the lower lash line, to the outer corner, and then back into the lighter shade. Just to add a little bit of definition. I'm actually going back in with that dark gray just to blend that out a little bit. Of course, in the black and white show, everything was in gray, so I've actually seen some pictures where it looks like Carolyn Jones had purple eyeshadow on. Okay, so my camera stopped recording. You guys, like, I always want this channel to be a place of positivity, but today is a Tuesday, but if this ain't the most Mondayest Tuesday that there ever was, oh my goodness. I'm using, if you haven't noticed, I'm using my Imagination Highlight to the Moon palette here as a marrow, and I think I could pretty soon start doing a bunch of story times like she does. I mean, it's like kind of unbelievable, but we are alive. We've got food, we've got clothes, we've got clean water. I probably need to go buy some more eyeliner because I'm a little low on that, but life is good. So I went ahead and I just did my liner and lashes. I used the MAC Liquidlast liner in the shade Point Black, the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara in the shade Brazen Black, and the Salon Perfect 615 lashes. I forgot to add that when my camera cut off, I used this creamy white shade in the eyeshadow refill pack, and I had done my base already, and I used NYX's Lip Liner in the shade Red Tape, along with Wet n Wild's Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Missy and Fierce, and NYX's Butter Gloss in the shade Madeleine. Everything that I use, as always, will be listed in the description box down below. Alright guys, that's it. Like I said, pretty basic, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed it. And this season, whatever you want to be, whether that's creepy, kooky, or festive, I hope you have fun, darlings. Peace. Ho, ho, ho.